Hello, and thank you for choosing the Inogen One G5. This short video will help you set up your new Inogen One G5. When setting it up for the first time, you will want to set the system up on a table near an electrical outlet. If you have not yet unpacked your boxes, you may want to pause this video and do so now. Be careful not to throw anything away yet. Please read the enclosed Getting Started Guide and user manual in their entirety before using the Inogen One G5. Now that you have unpacked all of the contents from the box, you have everything you need to get set up. Getting started with the Inogen One G5 is easy and requires no additional tools or expertise. First, remove the Inogen One G5 from the carry bag. Now, take one of the batteries and slide the battery into place at the bottom of the concentrator. Now, ensure that the particle filters are in place. Do not operate the Inogen One G5 without both particle filters in place. It is important that you clean the particle filters weekly to ensure the ease of airflow. Plug the power adapter into the back of the G5 concentrator. Plug the AC power plug into the nearest electrical outlet. Whenever your Inogen One G5 is plugged in and a battery is attached, you're recharging the battery. An empty battery may take up to 3 hours to charge, but you don't have to wait for it to charge completely. You can even leave the Inogen One G5 plugged in all night with a battery attached. And when you wake up, you'll have a full charge to start the day. If you get into the car to run an errand, you can plug into the car's power by using the G5 DC power cable provided with your system. If you'll be gone for the entire day or overnight, you'll want to bring extra batteries and your AC power supply. Now you can connect the nasal cannula tubing into the metal nozzle on your Inogen One G5. Turn on the Inogen One G5 by pressing and holding the on-off power button until you hear a beep and/or see the display screen turn on. Set the flow settings to the flow rate prescribed by your clinical professional. The flow setting can be changed by pressing the flow setting buttons that are marked with plus and minus symbol. Be sure to select the flow setting prescribed by your physician. Now position the nasal cannula on your face and breathe normally through your nose. Oxygen will only be delivered while you are breathing through the nasal cannula connected to the device. Every oxygen therapy product is different. Give the Inogen One G5 some time to get used to. It may be a different pulsing sensation at first than what you're used to. Have the confidence to know that Inogen has thousands of other users enjoying the product around the country now. Congratulations! You're set up and on your way to reclaiming your freedom and independence with Inogen.